I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening ZBrush for iPad and creating a new canvas. Choose resolution and match units to your pipeline. Once done, import a reference image if you have one, because references keep proportions accurate. You then pick a base mesh, start with a simple sphere or room-ready primitive, and enable symmetry to have your work. Make sure brush size and focal shift are comfortable. These first settings save time later and prevent destructive edits. You sculpt in tiers. Block out major volumes with move and clay, then refine forms with smaller brushes and smoothing. Once you have a readable silhouette, create named layers, block, refine, and detail, because layers let you adjust intensity or revert passes. Use masking to protect areas and transpose for posing. When topology needs change, use Dynamesh or Live Boolean to fuse or cut geometry cleanly. These steps maintain control and let you iterate without losing earlier successes. You finalize by adding micro details, alphas for pores, surface noise for texture, and polish brushes for hard edges. Once satisfied, decimate or retopologize to keep mesh manageable, create UVs, and export as OBJ or GLB at the correct scale for your target. If the app slows or crashes, reduce subdivisions, merge or disable non-essential layers, and clear undo history. This single troubleshooting move often restores responsiveness and prevents lost work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.